For today's training video, we're going to take a look at using the activity feed. Now there are two ways to use the activity feed. The first and fastest is to log into Unified Classroom. Go down to the lower right hand side where it says Activity Feed. Click on Post and then begin to type your message. As you can see, you have the ability to change a bunch of different parts of this message. You can center it, you can bold it, you can even change the font size. You also have the ability to add pictures and paste directly to Word. One of the nice features about the activity feed is that you also have the ability to attach assignments and files. On the bottom left-hand side of the activity feed, you'll see where it says Post To. You can see that it says just Creative Writing 3. That is the course that we are in. If we would like to send this message to all of our courses, we would select the gear and then check off all classes, hit OK. And now you can see all my classes have appeared that I'm sending this message to. If you check off the Send Message Now, it will send an email directly to those students. When you select Post, it posts it, and then you can see that we have a running list of all of our activity feed posts. The second way to use the activity feed is to go to the left-hand side to the navigation menu, select Communication, then select Activity Feed. Once you select Activity Feed, you will see that you can select Post, and as you can see, just like on the dashboard, you have all of the same options. And then you can also pick which courses to send the message to by selecting the gear, all classes, and OK. And the Send Message Now option is also there. Once you're done, you hit Post, and you have now sent a message to the activity feed that all students will see.